Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Shortcut Mastery. So today many of you have seen such type of error like games and apps keep minimizing itself in Windows. So today we will fix this issue by following these steps. So let's start this video. You have to just type rigid IT in search bar and you have to just go to registry editor, click on yes, and at here you have to firstly take a backup of registry editor because it's a good choice and good option. So you have to just export it and you can save it anywhere in your library. So after this, you have to just go to your HKey current user. Here it is, HKey current user. You have to double click on it, and at here you have to double click to control panel. Here it is. In control panel, you have to find out desktop. Here is desktop. In desktop you have to find foreground lock timeout. In option here it is foreground lock timeout, so you have to just double click on it and you can see the code that have entered here is 30D40. It should be same. If in your system it is different, so kindly remove that one and replace this with that. So by doing this your issue will be fixed. If it doesn't fix, so you have to just go to step 2, which is basically you have to type settings in search bar. So in settings you have to just go to game. Here it is, the gaming. In gaming you have to just go to game mode, and game mode, this option should be turned off. If it is on, so you have to turn it off. As in my case it is on, so you have to turn it off. So by doing this, your issue will be fixed. If it doesn't fix, so you have to move to step 3, which is basically services. So in services, you have to just type services and then go to the system. And at here, you have to just type find out W section, Windows error reporting system, reporting service. Here it is. You have to just double click on it, and by default, its startup type is manual. So you have to just change it to disabled. Click on stop. So it is, as you can see, service status stopped. So click on apply and then click on OK. So by doing this, your issue will be fixed. If issue still persists, so you have to move to step 4, which is basically command. So you have to just type cmd and click on run as administrator. Click on yes, and then you have to just type these two commands. I will also paste this command in my description of this video, so you can just copy it from there as well. So you have to just copy one, and then you have to go to command section and then paste it here, and you have to do this one by one. Firstly you have to just paste this one, and then you have to scan now this one. You have to paste this command as well. So by doing this, your issue will be, it will take some time, but as you can see it is just have started. So it will take some time and your issue will be fixed by following step 4. If it doesn't fix, so we have a last option, is basically Windows security, because maybe the issue comes from any malware virus. So you have to just go to Windows security, and in Windows security you have to go to virus and threat protection, and in virus and threat protection you have to go to scan options at here, and in scan option you have to just select the full scan option. So click on scan now, and when you click the scan now, it will scan your whole programs on your hard disk, and it will be take some time and your issue will be fixed. So if you like my video, so kindly subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you.